This is hilarious. Set up your season. How do I do that? Super duper Hornet. Pablo Sanchez is a stud. J.S. Mas Macho. Secrets out on this superstar. Size doesn't matter. There you go. Dustin Pedroia.
Can I play on your team?
That's funny.
If you pick me, can I play?
Sean Green. I read his book. Like slowing things down at 95 miles an hour or something like that. That's some good stuff in it. What do we got? Larry Walker.
Pick me, eh?
I grew up watching Larry Walker. Jeff Bagwell. Oh, Ken Griffey.
Hey there.
Get up here, Hall of Famer.
Sweetness.
Yeah, dude. You know, Chipper, you're pretty good
You should
switch
pick me.
hitter.
I can
Yeah,
hit, man.
I think so too. Oh my gosh, who is this kid? Dmitry Petrovic? Oh man. I'm gonna do Vlad.
Oh boy.
Yep, you're on, dude. Man, Mike is really slacking in the other areas, huh? Alright.
What's up, dude?
We'll go with Mike. Because you're gonna
Rockin'
hit some
good.
taters. Definitely gotta put
If
Randy.
you want a good pitcher, you ought to pick me.
Yeah, I do.
Give me the ball, man. I'm ready to pitch.
Uh-huh, that's right. And then, who are you? Tony Gwynn! This is
May I
Brandon
play on your
Nimmo's
team?
right here. This is Brandon Nimmo's team right here. The Humongous Wombats. Humongous Wombats.